I'm Danny Fukeng, the rising officer at Twatwa Crossing Mall. I'm here to address the media so that they can inform the community of correct information. The process of the CV had started today of Twatwa Crossing, so that the community of Twatwa and Delmas Ilov, which includes 7 wards. It's Ward 26, Ward 65, Ward 67, Ward 66, Ward 109, Ward 8, Ward 75. Those wards, 7 of them, they are part of this Twatwa Crossing Mall. So this mall has been built so that the community of the 7 wards can benefit the job creation, because the rate of unemployment is too high. So the investors, they are trying to reduce the rate of unemployment so that the opportunities for our community can be absorbed in this mall as much as they can. But we know for the fact that not all of us will benefit in this employment, but at least those who've been called to those interview or to the training, we will be happy for them, so that our people, the rate can be reduced of the unemployment. We are so happy, and we have involved in those wards, we have involved the monitoring teams of the 7 wards to monitor according to their wards. Also, we had informed the SAPS and also the local security company, which is Bukoma. They are here to monitor the whole process. Even the MPD, they are also involved, part of us as the team, so that we want the process to be free and fair.
So when